bulkheads out. That's really opened it up, that has. Just one dodgy bolt that was caused me an injury, but other than that, it's out. Onwards and upwards. Taking off the old light fitting. The one on the right hand side, the offside, is the correct one, but it's all cracked up all the way down the side. The one on the near side is the incorrect one. It's off the Mark 6 transit. This is a Mark 7. So I thought, sod it, I've ordered two. So I've ordered two that come today. I'll fit them back on. And brand new, £23 for the pair. I'll take the plastic film off, get them fitted. That's cracked as well. But that's off a Mark 6. So it's got the orange indicator reflector there, and that's the proper one, the Mark 7. So obviously they just found one at Breakers, you know, which is fine. But if I'm replacing them for 23 quid for the pair, I'll just put the proper ones on really. Happy days. Let's test it. Nice new lights. Happy days. That's where I am with the cleaning so far. Got this bit here to do. Tons more to do on the floor. And then the anchor bolts, which are like these ones here, they're going to go back in silicone, with grease to fill the holes. But all these little screw holes, like these and these, they've all got to be treated with red oxide, then with some hammerite, and then they're filled with Sikaflex before all the strips of wood go on. So yeah, still got lots to do yet. Onwards and upwards. Cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. Cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. Cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. Cup of tea. Oh, suit you, sir. Down there. Just going to show you just little bits of rust. So if we go up the front here, I don't know if you can see it. There's like bits of surface rust like this, just got to be rubbed down, and I'll put some rust treatment or some red oxide on that, and then little bits on the edge. It's not much really. I mean, if you look down there, it's not really a lot. I've got bits on there, So that's got to be rubbed right back to the metal. Treat the screw holes, fill them. It's like the ones in the floor, like this. It's got to be wire brushed right back. Put some red oxide on it, and then some white hammerite. So the cleaning continue. But it's all got to be done before I can put any panels up or insulation in. It's all going to be hidden behind, and you don't know what's going to occur once you start covering things up. Let's crack on.